What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome back. I am your host, your girl, your friend, TonyaNicole Boo. Who else would it be? Welcome, guys. Today we have the box by Shop Fashionsta. Yeah, this one always comes late in the month, y'all. So if y'all want to see what's in July's box, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you cool with the box coming late or... Okay, my loves, welcome. I am TonyaNicole, as I said in the intro, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today, we're doing the box, guys, and I'm excited to see what we have for this month. I know you probably already seen some other unboxings, but guess what? Y'all ain't seen TonyaNicole unbox it yet, right? No. So before we get into all of that good stuff, guys, we are going to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Monday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Trust me. Today's drink, we have a little Moscato. This is the Tines Moscato that I received in my vinyl box. And I'm ready for my next box, boo, because I'm about to be out. So let's pour us up a drink. I ain't gonna do too much, y'all. I ain't trying to get too lit. Cheers, guys, and let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh, it's so good and so sweet, y'all. One quick announcement before we get started. So as far as our 3K giveaway, what I've decided to do is next month in August, every Wednesday, we will pick a winner. We will call it Winner Wednesday. We're going to have 4 giveaways. 3 of them is going to be on YouTube and 1 is going to be on my Instagram. And I've decided to use a comment picker to pick my winner on YouTube. But you have to be subscribed to me. You have to give the video a thumbs up. I will go back a few videos just to see if you're interactive with me, because I don't want to just pick a random person and they're just here for the giveaway, and then my bomb ass subscribers who's always with me, is getting nothing. So we're probably gonna pick the winner on Monday and announce it for Winner Wednesday. Cool? That's what we'll do, guys. So we will have 4 winners for our 3K giveaway, 3 on YouTube, 1 on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to go down below after this video and follow me on Instagram. Also, you need to make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay? All right. And also comment. You have to be interactive with your girl. Thank you. Okay, guys. So let's get into the box. For you guys that don't know, this box is $25 a month. I do pay $19 because I was grandfathered in January before they made the price change. It does include free shipping. You get 5 to 7 full-size makeup, skincare, and other self-care products in this box. It's supposed to have a value of $100 to $150. This is a charitable box, guys, that always gives back. And they also have a mystery box, I think that's $50 a month, and a men's box that's $29 a month. So yes, without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Now I've already watched a couple unboxings, guys, so I kind of know what we have, and we shall see. I do want to show you guys some brushes that I picked up at the end of this video, so make sure you watch the video in full so that you can see some brushes that I got. So okay, and it does come packaged like that, guys. We do get a card in this box, which you guys know that I love. That's what it looks like. On the back here, it gives us a list of all of the products that we received in the box, as well as the prices. And y'all know I'm going to put them down below. And this one is just saying they give back to the 1736 Family Crisis Center, which is wonderful. It's a nonprofit organization in Los Angeles. So yes, let's see what we got, guys. All right, so first up, we have a Fig and Yarrow Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. Girl, I mean, The universe must be speaking to tell me something, because this is like my third eye cream this month. And this is a coffee bean cream. Now, I've never had a coffee bean eye cream, so I am excited about that. So you're just gonna dab a small amount around and under the eyes with a gentle butterfly pat. Okay, I don't know what that means. I guess like this. And let's see what it says about this product here, guys, because I don't remember seeing this in nobody's box. Did you guys? I don't know. So this is the Fig and Yarrow Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. It's an ultra light organic hydrating cream formulated to renew, protect, and hydrate the delicate eye area. It has potent antioxidants and cell nurturing botanicals, and it also helps to aid in the minimization of superficial fine lines. It is cruelty free, and this does retail for $36, guys. And you do get 0.5 fluid ounces of product in here. It does come with a little pump right there. And let me smell it, because I want to know what it smells like. I don't get coffee. Well, I don't get a coffee smell. I don't really know what the smell is. It's not a coffee smell though, but that's kind of disappointing. But okay, guys, $36 for this. And why are eye creams so expensive? So next up we have from, let's see who this is from, We Are Wild. And this is a solid block mineral sunscreen. Okay, with active cannabis. And this is the outside packaging right here, guys. And it says apply as needed over face before daily activity. Okay, I always need a sunscreen. I've never had one with active cannabis in it. And it says on here, I don't know, earth and human safe. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So this is what it looks like outside of that box, guys. And when we open it up, it does come with like a little cap here. We're gonna pull off. And it smells like, I don't know how to, it smells like the beach maybe. So that's what it looks like. It's just like this white balm right here. Just twist it up and down. I'm gonna swatch a little bit on my hand so you guys can see. And that's how it swatches out. It does leave like a white casting, it looks like. I would try this under my makeup, but I'll be a little nervous that it may affect my foundation. But I'll give it a try. It's not that white of a cast, but I mean, you can see it. And plus my hand is burned right here, guys, from washing it so much. I don't know, it just caused like a rough patch here. I don't know what that's from. I guess it's the soap I use, but that's the sunscreen right there. And I like that it does come in a block like this. This retails for $26, guys. And it says it glides on smooth and feels invisible. It's appropriate for oily, dry, and normal skin, also combination skin. It does has FPS 35 in it, so don't call it a sunblock. It's a solid block. It's vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, TSA friendly. Okay, so there we have it, guys. Then next up we have from Habit, the Ultimate Multi-Use Cream Color. Okay, that's what it looks like right there, guys. That is the packaging. And this is a multi-use cream. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't really like those multi-use creams because I never use them. So I probably will be giving this away if I can get it opened. And I've been noticing a lot of companies have been going toward a multi-use cream. That's what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. It's very cute. And this is in Candy Darling. And that's what it looks like on the bottom. Very pretty. And when we open her up, oh, okay, there we go. A nice, beautiful, it's like a fuchsia color. I hope you guys can get into that color and see what it looks like. I'm not gonna swatch this because I know that I will not use this. I will put this in a giveaway, but it is a cute color, very vibrant. I hope it would like sheer out like that when you put it on your skin. And this, guys, retails for, let's see, which one is this one? $28 for this. Wow, $28. It can be used on your lips, cheeks, and eyes. Okay, it's like a tint, so okay. Then next up we have this Moon Slice Beauty Moonshine Superfruit Facial Oil for all skin types, and you get 1 ounce of product in here. Now, we just got an oil from them last month that I'm still using. Another oil, there we go. And you Oh, you have to twist it off. Oh, okay. So it's not I thought it had a pump underneath it. Does it? I don't think so. Okay. It does have like a rich fruit smell. I can smell that. It's nice, I guess. I don't know, guys. I'm not gonna swatch this because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I may pass this along to like my mom or something like that. But this is the Moonshine oil. It's an organic 18 botanical oil blend that is totally pure, which is the way your skin would have it, curated with nature's fruit basket of avocados, apples, watermelons, and everything in between to create a superfood antioxidant potion that boosts radiance and balances complexion. So there we have it here, guys, and this retails for $25. So I don't know, I may use this, but right now I have so many oils that I'm going through, so I don't know, guys. We'll see. Then we have from Base Blue this little sponge right here, which I do have a few of these. I don't know where my other sponge is because I could show you guys what it looks like, but these are really nice and really soft when you take it out. Oh, well, this one is kind of stiff. I think this is more like for a foundation to get like a full coverage on your foundation, but I haven't used this one for foundation. I don't think. I just used the pink one to blend out my concealer. This is a Flawless Buff and Blend Out Heavy Duty Makeup Sponge. It's for foundations and concealers, and this one retails for $8, guys. And last up, we have a palette. And this is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Sun Gazing palette right here, guys. And let's open it up. It does have a little tape on the top. We're gonna cut that off. It is bubble wrapped. And when we take it out, that's what the outside packaging looks like. And oh, it does not come with a mirror, but these are the shades right here. I'm not gonna take the plastic off because I will not, I'm gonna put this in a giveaway, but I hope you guys are able to see the colors. I could probably peel it off without touching it. Okay, so this is the palette a little better and more up close. Like I said, I won't swatch it because I will be putting this in a giveaway. It's a beautiful palette. It's just one that I know that I personally will not use. So one of my lucky winners will enjoy this. And this, guys, retails for $24.50. Okay, guys, so that was my final product in this month's The Box. We're going to take a drink break. We're going to recap. We're going to do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Beauty Crop this Sun Gazing palette, from Solid Block this sunscreen, from Moonslice Beauty the Moonshine Beauty Oil, from Fig and Yarrow the Eye Bright Coffee Bright Eye Cream, from Habit the Ultimate Multi-Use Color Cream here, and last but not least from Base Blue this sponge here. So that's 6 products we received this month. And the total for my box, guys, was $147.50. Final thoughts on this month's box. The reason why I like the box so much is because it's only $19.99 for me a month. If I had to pay $25 a month, I don't think that I would actually keep this box. I think that for the most part, they give us a lot of indie brands and brands I haven't heard of, which has turned out to be hidden gems for me, most of the products. But I would like seeing going forward some products that I recognize. I mean, they just basically given us, I mean, the only thing I'm really excited about is the sunblock, maybe the sponge, and the eye cream again. Like, just 3 of the 6. I mean, I wasn't blown away by the box. I don't think that it is horrible. I just would like to see more skincare tools, something like that, because I mean, it's like kind of getting repetitive and I'm not really super excited anymore. But the only reason why I do keep it is because I only pay $19 a month. So it's not really a bad bang for my buck, because for $19, I'm getting $147 worth of products. So I don't think that is too bad. I'm just not over the top blown away by the products. So guys, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn ocean, to 5 being this box is a bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna give the box for the month of July a solid 3. I didn't think that it was horrible. I just was not blown away by it, guys. And that's pretty much it for that. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts on my box. Let me know what your thoughts is on the company in general. Do you think it's worth $25 a month? Let me know, guys. I mean, I don't know. If I paid $25, I don't know if I would keep this up. This might be one that I would probably do away with. I'm not sure though, but let me know your thoughts down below. So before we end this video, I want to show you guys some brushes that I picked up. Y'all, I broke my no buy and I was so tempted and I had to buy it, y'all, because they're so beautiful. And they are from Bling brushes right here. I just got the little 5-piece brush. And oh, y'all, this is a little card that they sent with it. I think they sent it to everybody, thanking you for your support. And these are how the brushes came packaged. But I just want to show you guys really quickly how they look. I was going to just use them for like decor, but I want to actually see how they work out. Now, looking at them online, they appeared and looked to be much heavier than they are in person. They really don't have a lot of weight to them, but the handles on these brushes, oh my, now tell me that's not TonyaNicole. Tell me y'all can't see me using these brushes. They are beautiful. This one is my favorite. It's like an all over powder brush. They feel so soft. Only one that I don't care for is this one because I know I probably won't use it for foundation. I have some kind of powder coming off it. I could probably use it for blending out concealer though, but all of the rest of them are like right up my alley. Did I get 2 of the same brushes? I'm gonna have to check that out. I think I have 2 of the same brushes. So I'm gonna have to see about that. But other than that, guys, they are gorgeous brushes. The packaging is beautiful. I do wish they were a little heavier, but I love them. Gorgeous, gorgeous brushes. So that is all that I have, guys, for today. I hope you guys consider subscribing to your girl, giving this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below. I will put the box's website down below as well, guys. So, guys, until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed. I love you all dearly. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.